Back in February, I uploaded a video about my Yashica MF-2 film camera. You guys on the internet seems to be really interested. That is why here we are, doing a follow-up video with a new camera and some fun facts. So let's get it started. Today I have three cameras. One is Yashica full automatic and the other two are Yashica MF-2. Let's talk about the Yashica full automatic first. It is a 135 film camera first introduced in 1981. What made it stand out from the other camera is that it has a full autofocus motor with a focus lock. The focus lock button seems so cute. The auto features a 38mm f2.8 lens mated with an electronic control shutter capable of speed ranging from 1/8 to 1/500 of a second. But you gotta use fast film to use the fast shutter. It has a built-in flash with a shutter button lock. But for some reason the flash doesn't work, but it buzzes when I put on the battery. It needs 2 AA battery to run. You cannot use any AA batteries in the market. It needs very powerful AA batteries. I'm using my Speedlight's batteries. Those are rechargeable. I prefer you use those batteries. Once you put on the batteries, you are all set. Though this camera was built before 1990, it still works. You can see the red light in the viewfinder when I press the shutter. Autofocus button seems to work. And below the camera, there is a rewind button. If I turn it on, open the camera and still works. There is your film cartilage and the chamber where film get exposed. You can find this camera in old vintage shop or you can buy it from me. I am asking around 4K for this camera. If you want to buy it, come to my place and we can have some cha biscuits and you can check the camera. Next, the Yashica MF-2. I have two these times. These two were kept in a leather case, so the condition is pretty good. Let's open them up. However, one camera doesn't seem to work. I think some water or dust got inside of the camera, but the outer casing is really good. No scratches or no broken part whatsoever. This will run with 2 AA batteries. The light still blinks, flash still works, and the rest are like, well, rest. But to get to the batteries, you have to unscrew the cover. The condition of this camera is pretty good. As you can see, there is no scratches or no broken parts or No rust, no sign of rust. This camera also need two AA batteries. Once you put on the batteries, you can hear the flash started to buzz until you fire the flash. You can see the red light in the viewfinder when I press the shutter button. The camera is pretty fine. There is a cartilage. There is a film roller. Everything in this camera is in tip-top shape. These are collectible cameras. You can find them in the vintage shop or you can buy it from me as well. I'm asking 3K for the one which works and 1K for the one that doesn't. I'll be giving my phone number and Instagram ID in the description. If you want to buy it, don't be shy to knock me. This is it for now. So till next time.